Guys, welcome back to Fun with Gummy, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing my updated squishy collection. So let's get right into this video. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment down below, and make sure to press that bell to get notified every time I post. And let's get right into this video. So yeah. So this is the prettiest thing I can find in my room. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. So usually people use like categories in their squishy collection. So I'm first going to be starting off with my homemade ones and paper squishies. So the first one I have is like this strawberry. It is my most affected paper squishy. So that's that one. I changed the category a little bit. Then I have my first ever paper squishy, which is a grape. The next one I have is this orange, which is my most squishiest one. And in the comments, let me know what's your favorite fruit, because I want to know. My favorite fruit is probably strawberries, like the ones that are red. That's that one. The next one I have is this mango heart, which is my actually last paper squishy. The next one I have is this purple heart. The next one I have is this. The next one I have is this blue heart, which actually matches my nails. Then I have this rainbow like triangle. I guess it was supposed to be a heart, but I actually don't know where it is now. Then I have like this rainbow nacho.
How do you know that? No reason. I'm not saying I memorized your yearbook or anything. They must be here with their little brothers and sisters. Oh, jeez. They're walking this way. Get ready to be teased. Stand tall.
Okay. And then my last one is this rainbow heart. Or, not rainbow heart. Rainbow pillow.
Oh, actually, I made it. Oh, wait. The detail was amazing. Thanks. I didn't buy his poker chip.
So those are all my paper squishies. Now the rest of them are my duct tape squishies. Okay, so my first duct tape squishy is this one that I actually was my first duct tape squishy. And I love this one. It's actually the best one. I just love this one so much. Then the next one I have is like this triangle. I don't really know what it is. It's pretty squishy. The next one I have is this one that was made with the trash bag. And I'm not going to make a tutorial on this. This one was made with the normal plastic packaging, which is super slow rising. Then I have this like panda bun that I try to make. It's not squishy at all, but. And then my last one was with this eraser. This is probably my worst one. So those are all my duct tape squishies, and now the rest are really just like other ones. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you want me to do like a squishies king core with my squishies, just let me know, because I am able to do one if you guys want me to. So yeah, I'm just trying to find it. I couldn't find all of them, but here's like a rainbow one. They're actually my most still rising squishies.
So what does the dishwasher do?
Then the next one I have is this one is like this lemon. They're all the same, just different color. And then I just have this like little piece of cut up one. I do have more. I have a strawberry one, blueberry one, and just a normal one. Which I have no idea where they are, but I'll probably find them later on. Oh, I found the strawberry. Here's a strawberry. Look, they're still rising, you guys. But yeah, again, I'll find like the rest after. And I just have this one that I made with something, because I don't want to tell my mom, because she's probably watching this video. So yeah, I made it with that. But yeah, I really like it. So that is that one. So those are all my homemade squishies. Oh, wait, I found another one. I'm probably gonna find more later on this. So now I'm just gonna be going on to like my animal, like if it makes any sense, like my animal squishies, like yeah, my animal squishies, which I have like a lot of animal squishies. So yeah, my first one is this like little kitty on a moon, and this is actually super dense. I don't really play with this one that much, but it's so white. I just love this one so much. That's the one. And then the next one I have is this really cute puppy. Next that one. And then I have this like panda bun, or not panda bun, but like just like panda, just so cute. Then I have this shark that I got at Toys R Us. And guys, go to Toys R Us now because it's closing forever. Really cute. And then I have the seal that I also got at Toys R Us. I wished I vlogged it, but I didn't. Then I have this penguin. It's really hard. You can hardly even see it since it's white. But that's that one. And then I have the Squeezable that I actually sleep with. I just got this at Walmart. So now I'm gonna guess. Oh, I'm just gonna go on to this bubble one. I don't really count it as a bubble, like a squishy, but I mean it still is a squishy. So here, let me put that right there. Okay. So the next category is really just the food ones. Oh, I have two more homemade ones. Oops. I have this one that I made like a super long time ago. Like in 2015 probably, or 16. And that pizza, and then I have this rainbow. So, those are my homemade ones. And then I'm just going into my mini squishies. Like my mini ones, and I have 3 of those. So I have this watermelon that smells so good. It's not the squishy, but. And then I have this corn dog. And this also smells really good. And then I have a blueberry. It also smells.
I called my discovery playing the friend card. It means mom and dad give you special privileges if you have a friend over. I'm pretty sure my siblings.
That's that one. Then I have my sports squishy. So I have this like football crush ball or stress ball that I got at the dollar store. And then I got this basketball. Super slow rising. It's still rising. Super slow rising. Then I have my food squishies. So yeah, the rest are really food. Oh no, I'm gonna go with desserts. Yeah, I'm gonna go with desserts. Okay. So my first dessert one is this pie.
Her show. She has a friend over. But I have a friend over too. True, but Lola got to the TV first.
And then I have this.
But at least we can have some cookies. All out, bruh. Dad's at Sam and I had first dibs.
And then I have this like that thing.
But at least we can choose lunch. Hey, Dad, Clyde said he would love Franks and beans today. Well, Lincoln suggested it, but I agreed.
Sorry guys, lunch is already made.
Yeah, my friend Tiger was staying for lunch and requested blood sausage. Friend? How did
And then I have this like another pie. That's kind of defected. I don't like.
We may not have the TV or cookies or the lunch we want, but we can still play badminton.
Sorry, Lincoln. Whitney and I have the courts. I'm on to you, Buster. And in case you thought you were getting any other privileges today,
And then my last one is this ice cream.
Yikes, that's a lot of kids. You want to hide at the mall for a few hours?
do I? It'll be quieter and less crowded.
My sisters had discovered the friend card, but they forgot that.
And then the rest are just like fruit. So
So
the first one is this croissant.
Double header time!
we'll be watching ARG. Thanks.
In your dreams. I have a friend over, so,
Yes, you have one friend over. But I have two. And two is greater than one.
So that's that one.
Guess what, Lincoln? I can do math too. And 3
And then I
is
have-
greater than 2.
And then I have this hot dog.
Hey, Sam and I had dibs on that popcorn. Gee, sorry, Nina, but I got 3 friends over. And 3 beats 1. Dude, I thought we were on the same side. Yeah, well, Lincoln brought in 2 friends, so I did what I had to do. Well, fine. I can call my friends too. Operator, can you help me place this call? Dude, mind if we cut in? But Becky and I are playing. No, totally, dude. I get
And then
it's just that you
I have this
only
corn
one over, and I have
that has a bunch of defects. But my best friend gave this to me,
Pass the remote, Lynn.
Alexis.
It's my fashion show. I have 3 friends over, so I get the TV. Thank you. 3? Oh, that's so cute. I have 5. Wait. Yeah, 5. Excuse me, Lenny. My friends and I have to watch our dating advice show. Sorry, Lori. I have 5 friends over, and only 5.
And then I have this taco.
I'll save you the trouble. There's 6 of them. Remote, please. Pardon the intrusion, elder sibling. It's time for the congressional hearings. But Lisa, lucky 7, baby. Count them. Love it, Lisa. My 8 friends and I want to watch prison pageants. Sorry, Lola, but my 9 friends and I would like to watch Vampires of Melancholia. Hit the road, Jack. My 10 friends and I have a concert to watch. And we have a comedy
And then I have this pie. Pie. Pizza.
Lana, did you really have to invite 12 of your muddy friends over? Don't bark at me. Lincoln invited 13 randos over from the arcade. I bet you don't even know all their names.
I do too. There's Jeff. Or is it Josh?
By my calculations, with this many people in the house, we could be approaching the threat level of...
So that's all. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know how many squishies do you have. Bye guys. Peace. Also, make sure to tell me what was your favorite squishy. Bye guys. Peace. For real.